Welcome back, y'all. Let's get straight into this video. So I got this Plouise base in Rumor 2, and I'm priming one of my eyes. The other eye is already done. So yeah, I'm just gonna lightly pat this in, and after it dries down a little bit, I'm gonna start applying my color. I'm not gonna set this base. That's a good thing with Plouise base. You don't have to set it. So we're going to use the Try palette by Juvia's Place today, and we're going to start with this dark green color at the bottom of the palette. And shout out to Juvia's Place palettes. They always coming through with the pigment. Somehow I accidentally cut this part of the video out, but I'm taking that brown color shown and I'm gonna blend the edges of that green out. And after I do that, I'll start cutting the crease, as you can see here. Another part that was cut out, I was using this color to the left of this gold color to start out, and then once I got in the middle, I started packing this gold in here. Last color on the lid I'm going to use is this third shimmer color in the palette. Let me get a little closer so y'all can see this blend. And I'm just swiping left and right until they blend into each other. taking this stick from Wet n Wild in the color green, and I'm going to just put this in my waterline. Now we about to get into this complexion, y'all. So I'm priming with this Becca matte poreless primer, and this is one of my favorite primers. It's real good if you have big pores like me. So you just put it on and then pat it versus rubbing it in. We're using Juvia's Glaze I Am Magic Foundation today, and I got the shade 320. It looks kind of orange on me, more on camera than in person, but once I got it blended out and did my contour and highlight and all that, it was a pretty close match. So we got the matching concealer also, and as you can see, I'm barely putting any under my eyes because with this concealer you don't have to use a lot. A little goes a very long way. Going in to set with this flower powder by Bakerie in the color Caramel. I just recently started using this setting powder. Y'all know I've been using Sasha for a long time, but I really like this. I really do. Cream Contour Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm taking the darkest shade in here for my contour. This is Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm gonna take the darkest shade in here to set my contour. Wet n Wild 3-in-1 Rose Primer Water. This is new for me. I never used this before. I've been using NYX and Milani setting sprays, but it got the job done. Okay, sis, if you ain't never used eyeshadow for a highlight, try it out, sis. This is Jeffree Star lipstick in the color Area 51. And before y'all drag me for using this man products, it was free and I like the color. So yeah, I'm topping it off with a topper from Morphe in the color Charm. And there you have it, the finished look. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.